How to fix ChatGPT go-to-money requests problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open your browser and then click these 3 points here and click history and then click clear browsing data. Now go to basic, select browsing data and the browsing history and cookies and then clear it. After that just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, right click here, task manager, and make sure to close Google Chrome or your browser from task manager. Right click on it and click end task, and if you can't find it here, just scroll until you find it and close it. After that, just open another browser and try to open ChatGPT, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.